In this video, I will show you how to Shakira walk in CS2. So whilst with the recent patch, the Michael Jackson peekaboo dance has been patched over, there is actually a dance you can do called the Shakira walk. So with that being said, let's open up CS2 and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So here we are in game. So what I'm going to do is just quickly jump into a game and I'm going to show you how to do this. You don't need to download anything. It's basically just a keyboard combination. So I'm just going to load up a game and show you how this works. So here we are in game. Now in order to do this, all you need to do is basically walk backwards using the S key on your keyboard. I'm just going to look down so you can see it, and basically when you're walking backwards using S, you want to keep spamming the A and D keys. So if you just walk backwards, keep spamming A and D, this is going to do the Shakira walk. Of course it's quite hard to see because we're in first person mode, but it will give this impression to anyone else that sees you whilst playing this game. So that's how to go ahead and do the Shakira walk in CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.